After my last video on YouTube about how to actually get AdSense approval, I got this particular comment that triggered me to make this particular video. All right, so this is the comment I got on my own website. Okay, man, this is what this guy said. F you, man, your website is not approved for AdSense and you teach how to get AdSense approval. Okay, this is a comment someone dropped on my website claiming that my website is not actually AdSense approved, but I'm teaching how to get AdSense approval. Okay, so I'm gonna simply clear the air right now and also showing you that most of my website are all 100% approved by AdSense. I chose to stick with Monetag and Adsterra. Okay, so me doing that doesn't mean that my website is not really AdSense approved. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you right here in this very video. I'm also going to be activating those AdSense on this website that are also approved. Okay, so before we get started in this very video, this is for those of you that actually come to people's videos, come to people's posts and start commenting what you don't actually know. Okay, so whatever thing I teach you right here are basically what I'm doing. If they're not working for me, I will not bring it out to show you guys. Okay, and whatever the result and whatever approval I've gotten are actually real, and I'm also going to be showing you right here in this same video. Okay, and I know the person that dropped this comment is actually watching this video right now. Okay, so this is for you. You can show right here. If you go to the home page of this website, on the home page you're not going to be seeing AdSense. Okay, you're not going to be seeing AdSense. What you're going to be seeing right here is Adsterra and Monetag. Okay, but doesn't mean that this particular website is not approved for AdSense. No, I can actually activate AdSense anytime I like, but I chose to stick with Adsterra and Monetag. This community is all about sincerity and integrity. Whatever I teach you here, basically what I'm doing, and if things are not working for me, I cannot teach about that. So as long as they are working for me, I'm bringing it out there for people to actually see. Okay, just like when I made a video on how you can actually create Google My Business account. Some people went to search that my own business, like they searched for Padded Vibes Media, okay, and they got to see my own business being indexed on Google My Business. All right, and this particular guy right here, one of my subscriber and a student, he dropped a review, and this is the review he dropped right here. He said, "Thanks for always being truthful in your business. Trust is what makes business grow higher, and I pray you continue growing and never lack anything in Jesus' name." This is someone that I've already watched that particular video, the video I made about how to build a Google My Business profile. This is the video right here. If you've not watched that, go ahead and watch it and build your own Google My Business page. Okay, so whatever thing I teach you right here on this very channel are basically what I'm doing myself. Okay, so having shown you this, let's now go back to the AdSense account and see. So this is my AdSense. This is for May, this is for April, this is for March. Okay, and if you go to this same account right here, you're going to see right here, this is where you can actually add your own site. But I'm going to be showing you two of my website which I review for everybody. Not every of my website is basically for this particular niche which I'm into. Right, so those ones that are not related to my audience, I don't actually share it, okay, to avoid bringing in wrong audience to your website. Okay, but I have sport website, I have food and recipes, I have health, I have a lot of niche website. Okay, and this website are all monetized with Adsense, Monetag and lot more. Okay, so the same website where he dropped that particular comment, this is it right here. It is called minjohnfrancis.com. okay, you can see approval status is ready. Okay, Padded Vibes right here, the website I showed you that is already monetized with Adsterra and Monetag, but no AdSense on it. Okay, this is it right here. You can see the same website is also approved by AdSense. Okay, you can see right here, AdSense ready. All right, these two websites are 100% developed and monetized by my team. Okay, and they are all optimized. All right, I'm going to be clicking into them so you can actually see. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be refreshing this page. Okay, so if I click on this refresh button, this is going to actually refresh. So I'm still talking so that you won't be like I caught it, I didn't cut anything. All right, so if you click on it right now, let's say I want to go to minjohnfrancis.com. If I click on Minjohn Francis, you're still gonna see ready. You can see ready here. So if I end up refreshing it, you're still gonna see ready. All right, so you can show right here we have ready right here. Okay, your website is ready to show ads, but I didn't activate the AdSense on the website. Okay, just because I'm using Adsterra, Monetag, I don't want to bombard my audience with a lot of advertisement. Okay, Adsterra and Monetag alone is already doing the whole work for me. Okay, so if I go back to this very section and go to paddedvibesmedia.com, you can show paddedvibes.com, you can see the same thing right here. Okay, all of this stuff are 100% monetized. Okay, so let's say I want to activate AdSense on this video one right here, which is paddedvibes.com. This is it right here. Let's say I want to activate the AdSense. Okay, come over to this very section right here. Then once I'm in this very section, then click on this ads section right here. Okay, so if you click on that, you're going to select the website you want to activate the ads on. You can see all the auto ads are all off. Okay, you can see most of my auto ads are off. All right, I purposely off them. So what I need to do is simply click on the one that I want. Let's say I want to go for these palette vibes. Then click on this pencil button right here, turn on auto ads. All right, click on this apply. Okay, then click on save. All right, so the reason why I'm making this video is not because I'm angry. The reason why I'm making this video is because of those people that actually feel like if they cannot get something, then other people cannot get it. Okay, there are some people that are building real businesses online. There's people that their blogs are actually generating the right revenue and their business around their blog. At the same time, there are people out there that doesn't really believe in all of these things, and when they see people succeeding with their blog, and they will feel like these people are just saying rubbish and it is not working. All right, so I'm just clarifying this so that you can show why the auto ad has been activated. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is simply go to add by unit. Okay, I have to simply click on this. All right, then the next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and copy some of these display ad and all of that and paste them on my website. Okay, but before that, let's go back to that same website that doesn't have AdSense before. Okay, so let's go back. This is it right here. So what I'm going to do right now is simply go ahead and refresh this very page by clicking on this button right now. Okay, you can see AdSense ad is popping up right here. You can see AdSense ads. You can see discover more. These are AdSense ads. If I go up, this is also AdSense. Okay, this one right here is also AdSense. Okay, so you know how AdSense works based on your blog content topic. Okay, so let's go to another page, and also you're gonna see the VegNet banner coming up from this section. Let me just also use my mobile phone for it, so you can actually testify or believe if you want to believe. So if you don't, even if you don't want to believe, it's still okay. So you can see this is AdSense right now. This is the VegNet banner. You can see it right here. This is very much approved. Okay, so you can see right now I've been able to clear the air right now that this particular website is approved. Okay, so this is to tell you that whatever thing I teach you right here are basically what are working for me. Okay, so I don't just tell you cock and bull story. The AdSense has been activated. Okay, you can see I can now close it. I can close it. Just go back to this very section right here. You can see the auto ads is now showing, but I can actually go ahead and add display ads in feed, in article, multiplex. Okay, so what I have to do is to click on this section that says display ad. Okay, I can click on this very section right here, then get the code. Okay, so remember you can actually add this code to your website and it will also show ad. Okay, so let's click on this copy button, then fall back to this very section to your website. Actually go to this section, install this plugin which is called Adsense. Okay, on this very first page we can add AdSense. You can see AdSense is already there. The code is already here, but it was disabled. Just be mindful of this. It was disabled before. Okay, so I can actually go ahead and enable them. Let's say before post, I want it to show before post. This one, let's say if it was disabled, it's also add, Google Ads, and I can enable it from here. Let's say before content, this one is before post. I don't want to add everything there. I want to add it after content. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate it. Okay, this is basically how you can actually activate your AdSense on your website. Okay, I disabled it by myself. Okay, but you can actually activate it back. Person that made this comment, I've been able to prove to you right now that this particular website or my website are approved by AdSense. Okay, so just that I decided to turn them off to use Adsterra and Monetag, okay, another ad network. So if you're using Adsterra and Monetag already, you don't actually need to add more ads, because the more ads you add on your website, you're going to be getting lower traffic. Okay, you have to add few ads so that people be able to read the content that you've already displayed on your website. Okay, so all of them are going to simply build you a business. All you need to do is simply make it minimal so that everything can actually work for you. Okay, and bear it in mind that whatever I teach you on this very community are what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm doing them consistently. If I'm not doing them consistently, there won't be any results showing up on this very screen. Okay, so instead of you doubting and getting angry that things are not working for you, why don't you come to me, ask questions, then you're gonna get the right directions and get things done for yourself. Okay, why don't you go ahead and try this stuff out, then try it for yourself and let it work for you? Because if it is working for you and it is working for me, you won't be angry with me. All right, so this is basically how this thing works. All right, and this is also how you can actually activate your AdSense on your website and start monetizing from day one. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this for the channel, and see you in the next video, which is going to simply be a bigger update, okay, coming up on this video channel. See you in the next one.